I'm going to wet me up today and it'll be nice.
So guys, we're driving from west in the rain and we're now heading back to east. It's a rainy afternoon, guys.
But underneath my car must clean. This is on a Sunday. Come from out the beach. I'm on the sea. You see that hotel in the front of me there?
Which hotel is that?
Cave Point
That's Cave Point.
Hotel. My part of the majority of that.
Guys, you may be wondering who this guy is.
Don't they?
He's a born Bahamian by a Jamaican parent living here in the Bahamas. He's a mixed race. You don't know if he's a Jamaican or a Bahamian. Which one are you?
See there?
Huh?
All of them windows, everything there, that's his handiwork.
Your father work on that road?
All of them balcony where you're looking at, all of them doors, all of them windows, all of them things, that's his handiwork. 90%
So
of
because my money where your father make out, you know?
90% of the structure encoded in the roof.
Let me say your father makes some good money out here.
Mm-hmm.
So can I have some of those money?
I will share this seat.
If your father work on all of those big, I can't even show you them guys. The building them that he's showing me. Then they're not supposed to have some money sit down on, man.
I was still in school them time. I wasn't in the Bahamas yet as a council. That's what he tell me. I wasn't here.
Father, big contractor and I business over here.
It's a nice beach that too, you know.
You see how the beach him come out like the road? That's why I think little thing they flood out. Because it's like the beach, it's partially in the road.
And beach trying to flood like that now. Because hurricane normally come from this side. Hurricane normally come from the eastern section. Approach the island of Nassau.
They're doing a lot of work out here, you see?
Nope.
It wasn't like this. This wasn't like this.
Those work I've done years ago. Years ago. From what the hurricane name will mess up
Katrina.
Katrina. You know what you're talking about, Katrina. Not Katrina. That's the hurricane will mess up over one place.
That's years ago, you know.
Yeah.
My boss always speak of Katrina.
That one will flood out one place in.
I was here when one of the hurricane, you know, what that one name? Gilbert. I was in Jamaica. We're not talking about Gilbert. The other one where
there was a strong hurricane in the Bahamas.
I was in Lutra at that time.
15 years ago.
No, it wasn't 15 years. I wasn't here for 15 years.
Well, it's about,
the one that I'm talking about.
The hurricane was here about 12 to 10 years ago, probably more than that.
The one that it damaged a lot of places. Yeah, but it's not. It's like.
No, you have a hurricane that came here about 5 years ago.
Oh, why the man speeds up on it? Oh my God!
About 5 years ago, I messed up the island. And I'm talking,
two hurricanes we meet here, you know.
And I'm talking about that.
I meet one when I was in Lutra, and I meet one right here.
A strong hurricane that approached the Bahamas, the Nassau Bahamas, around 10 to 13 or about 15 years ago. That was the last hurricane that really did the.
You're talking Nassau. The one that damaged the island for a lot of people.
No, not that one. That one was just probably.
Why that one was cruel? We killed in Abaco. Thousands of people.
Right, that was the strongest hurricane ever
died
seen.
And buried under the ground, lost their lives. It was wicked. killed
That
thousands
was
of
the strongest
people, guys.
hurricane category 5 have ever been seen. Where there's a category 3, probably.
But the one that killed off a lot of people in Abaco was terrible. Wow.
Yeah, but there was a category 3 hurricane that came to Nassau, which was the strongest hurricane, the last strongest hurricane that ever seen in Nassau Island yet. So that was about probably 15 years ago. That was the last hurricane that we battled with in Nassau. But Abaco, the hurricane that Abaco faces was about 5 years ago. That was category 5 plus. People say category 5. I've been lower. No, that was category 5 plus. See? It was category 6. I don't even know if category 6 read under the scale. But category 5. Top 4 and
That's Sandy Port over there, guys. Beautiful Sandy Port. You know, over there they have their own school, their own station, every little thing, the doctor surgery, and because they're in a far, because there's a beautiful scenery over there, over the bridge.
Is that a bridge?
That's a bridge that you drive over to go across there.
Past a bridge.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not talking over, I'm talking the bridge right there. Think I don't know. I used to work over there. I used to go over there to register for job, you know. The lady died, Miss Taylor. I used to go over there, you register. That lady, God forgive me. I said that lady, a lot of people money gone down the drain. Miss Taylor take your money and then give to the work to Philippines. You know, everywhere we go Jamaica and get a fight. Sometimes we Jamaica make it bad for yourself, you know. But in everything you have good and bad. Everywhere you go you have good and bad. But Jamaicans, some way me I tell you, we're not pretty. And they use the fat of gun and fry all. And fry out. Let me tell you, let me give you one drama we take place about time here. I was at work and I have on my mask. Down by this lady at work. My daughter said, I was telling my boss about it, but let me tell you something else. I was at work, so this lady came. It's the lady I was working with, niece. So she said, I walk in the kitchen, because she came here to visit her aunt who I was working with. And I'm going to do day work for them sometimes on Saturday. And she said, oh, you're the person working in here for my aunt. I said, yeah. And she said, take off your mask, let I see your face. So if she had said this before, she said, take off your mask so I see your face. So I pulled on the mask like and she see my face. So here are remarks now. So I can know who to come and look for if you ever mess with my aunt. So I turned to her and I said, excuse me? And she said, because the last Jamaican who worked here, she I guess that maybe it was the last, because I sent a lot of Jamaican there to work on days work. So she was referring to somebody who was living there doing living job one time. She messed with my aunt, and let me tell her, the next person who do that, I'm coming for them. So I look at her and I said, let me tell you something. You say, ma'am, you don't know me. So that statement, you don't say that. And when I say that, that's when the aunt chipped in and said, no, Leah's been working for me for a long while, and Lee's nothing like this, and Lee's nothing like that, or XYZ. I've never heard the aunt speak if she have any formal problem with any worker who work for her. But this lady was saying like somebody have done her aunt wrong, and if anyone done it, she come in for them. So the aunt said, you have to understand, they're good and bad everywhere. This one is not like any other one, I'm telling you. So, but the statement, it was so rude. And I have to tell her, I said, don't do it. Don't do it. I work in this family for years and not one can ever call me name. People can say me face, but you're not going to say me teeth. Me more beg.
But you must do is make me know what the niece is. You should have take a picture and make me know.
That was really rude of her, and I was really upset. And when the lady realized and see that I was upset, like she take her on and say, no, don't say that. Don't say that. But because she said that, I take offense to it. So I'm saying, if one Jamaican done something, that doesn't mean all Jamaican is the same. If one Jamaican a thief, it doesn't mean all Jamaican is a thief. If one Jamaican a prostitute, it doesn't mean all. If one a killer, it doesn't mean all is a killer. Because everywhere you go, you have good and bad. And I will forever defend my country. Because good and bad, there everywhere you go. Everywhere you go, there is good and bad. And I can never say all Bahamian are bad. I can never say that. You have some beautiful, wonderful people in this country. Yes, you have some where there is no good. Just like if you go to Jamaica, you have some that is no good, just the same. So it is just like that, you know, and there is good in everybody, but if you understand the drift that I'm saying. So that's just it, that's just reality. But to make such a statement, I was offended. So my daughter would say, me, if she ever run that joke with me, ever open her mouth when I don't take her on. But if I hear, my mother always said this to me, and it states in the Bible, a soft answer, turn it away rough. So sometimes somebody might say something and you take offense and you just blare up on it. That simple little statement that she made could have caused a big rivalry. So in this time that we're living, everybody have to just try to really unite together. No other time for war and strife.
Yes.
So
call it a last day, nobody go back over there.
you could make another circle, just make one more circle. And then yeah. We just make a circle because it's actually 3 o'clock. See the cardboard box umbrella?
Temporary umbrella.
This type of, oh man, look over a golf course. They might play golf in the rain.
They're not part of golfing. They cannot stop.
Wow.
The session finished. That's the thing about sports. If you play football and the rain stop it, start, you think you can't stop.
You have to stay night.
Yeah. Cricket, same way. Cricket, they will stop because the pitch will get messed up.
Of course I'm serious. May I have some soup for me, I'm going to go warm.
Yeah, I'm going to pull up a one jerk man there.
My weakness might be for jerk, but we can't pass.
So we can pull up a one
Because of them a jerk over here, so they're not really jerk.
one chicken and one pork.
When you taste jerk at Jamaica, you taste the smoke, you taste the sauce, you taste everything in it. You just have a different.
We can pull up a one jerk pork.
So that no move me, Mr. Pinup.
A real jerk pork spot. About everything in it.
That doesn't move me. I think it's here, so the beach. Let me see.
Not
Yeah.
the beach. Right, the beach.
Because, yeah.
Right, the beach where you have the name Love Beach. The past that long time.
What you know about Love Beach?
Right before you right at Sandy Fort there, so. Right next to there.
I've been there one time, me and Jessica them, and that water ever rough.
I don't know why you can't tell me.
Always so rough.
At 21 years, I live on a farm. I'm living while me at 18. I should be 20, And when I was old dog, you know. But no, me a lion now, me a dog no more. Me a lion.
But you say a man call himself dog, and if one woman call him dog, it's a big thing.
Because you're not supposed to, you're not behaving.
But man call one another dog and say, "Why go on dog?" And then over here the woman then call the man then call woman girl, and he not come nowhere. Come here, girl. You call Jamaican a girl is like a disrespect.
And they call man boy. You can't call a man boy back home, man. Boy, you crazy.
What you call boy? What you call boy? Guys, the rain is kind of cooling down a little, but it's still out there. Traffic start to build up.
So we're going to work night tonight. We're going to be selling some juice up till 8 o'clock tonight. So we won't be getting no sleeping time before now and 8 o'clock. She'll have a
Me not on evening shift this evening. Me do morning, me do day shift till I sell juice. Me never no evening shift to sell juice. No.
She ain't got no choice, people. She got to work for her money tonight.
Me, what you joke if me I sell this evening? Me nah sell none this evening. Go and go all about and try in my bed and catch my remote in my hand. Yeah, I might do a live. I might.
You know, go another cash place at tonight, you know. I don't think so it makes sense. I don't think we're sure if I'm going to buy a buckle camera, so I'm going to try rush to buy a buckle tonight. Yeah, it might make sense. I might buy a buckle for real, it might make sense. Burger King is never accessible in them place. I don't know why Burger King even exists. They sell a sandwich and no tomato, no lettuce in it. I don't know if
you ever eat Burger King? Burger King sell a sandwich that you don't make from meat. It's vegetarian.
Yes, sir.
And it's really look at the line. People look at the line at Wendy's. Not KFC, I mean to say. Look at KFC line going all the way.
Give me a cup, man, because you can't expect me if you
look at the line.
I end up getting
oh my lord.
Nonsense.
People, me going to show you something. Food range. I'm going to show you two people out there man for crash just to come by Wendy's. Now I'm going to show it to you. Now I'm going to show you. That is one car and this is one. And this is a black car right there. And they're fighting to get into Wendy's. Watch it. A black car decided that you better go because I'm not going to hit my nice little car. That's a Honda. What kind of car that? I don't even know cars. To please you because of any Wendy's. Because this man decided that he fighting to go get Wendy's.
KFC, not Wendy's.
Me keep on say KFC, Wendy's, because it's only Wendy's sandwich I normally will have.
And that's Pizza Hut and KFC right there.
But no wonder, no, talk a God truth. Now people, let me tell you something. I do eat fast food, you know. I'm not going to pretend. But I don't get up on the front. Look, you have Burger King over there. Look at it view, right? There you have the, look, Burger King, right? Here you have Pizza Hut. And there you have Kentucky. Almighty Lord. Then no wonder people can't stay healthy.
Hello?
I catch that one day. I'm going to go catch him. I'm going to go for Kentucky. Catch him.
In a rain.
And I really I try to go get I try to go get
I have out of my vehicle, I keep driving.
And the man realized and said sitting too long and they have a whole heap of drive through here, so and that is why so many people are overweight. Now everybody just sit under their car and drive up to the window and make their order. Now, I don't tell us that when the sandwich don't taste good at times, you know. But I have to cut my hair past sometime because otherwise my waist not gonna stay good. And that's a fact.
So your waist
So-
a little, huh?
So I try not to. Sometimes even when I want to, I cut my hair past it. But I like me some jerk.
Man, you no jerk today. No jerk.
I do like my jerk. Guys, how this look? I'm stopped by Fish Fry to get some jerk. This is how the jerk look. You normally don't find jerk are really tasteable. Sometimes you do. So
Just burn you.
the chicken could have seasoned a little more. It's a number one. And have that much season.
But
And I have no season. It's just yeah, it burn.
it's actually in raw.
Sometimes you bite it really raw. And this one, it don't raw. In a season good. Jerk season if you have jerk chicken or pork, whatever you're eating, this is chicken. It's supposed to have taste. This not have no taste of season, no season.
Just sauce.
The only little taste to it,
But guys, I'm eating it.
and the sauce where them put over it. That's why sometimes I don't bother. I don't go for macaroni much. Let me taste it. Macaroni in a season. In a season. I mean, not only talk, guys. Sometimes you buy some, I buy sometime out Carmichael. It's seasoned, but sometimes they not jerk it good. This one, and I don't like jerk with carbs. I like jerk with like some salad and then the corn. I like macaroni with seasoned to the tea with a little pepper. The only pass me pass it jerk. It's not raw. Like how many raw. It's not raw.
Cook, but it burn.
Yeah, it burn. It over burn. But it don't really have no.
In a bitter? But
It tastes bitter.
burn.
It tastes apart. It tastes bitter. Look here. I need season. No farmer season on it.
Yeah, eat.
Normally they would put like
In the
Bear me
insipid.
and cook with a lot of lime and pepper.
In the insipid.
But not every that me not taste.
People, it is not insipid here.
But it just don't have that taste there. Not if the jerk sauce, you know, have like it, I put the sauce and you taste the sauce.
But you make come and find some sauce,